In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe all emails in Gmail, 5 minutes. If your inbox is overflowing with newsletters and promos you don't read, this quick walkthrough will show you the fastest, safest way to stop them right inside Gmail. We'll stick to Gmail's built-in unsubscribe tools so you can reduce clutter without hunting through every sender's website. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to clean up. For the clearest view, the desktop interface is ideal, though the process is similar on mobile. Once you're in your inbox, pick a message you no longer want to receive. This works best with newsletters, promotional emails, and mailing lists you opted into at some point. With the email open, look near the top of the message, right next to the sender's name or address. You should see an unsubscribe option. Depending on the message, it may appear as a small link or button. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding the message header or checking the three-dot menu in the top right of the email view. Keep in mind, not every email supports this. Personal messages and many transactional alerts won't show an unsubscribe link. When you click unsubscribe, Gmail will show a small pop-up. You'll usually have two choices, unsubscribe or go to website. Choosing unsubscribe tells Gmail to send a one-click request directly to the sender or to generate a quick email that removes you from the list. It's the fastest option and keeps you in Gmail. If you pick go to website, Gmail opens the sender's preference page where you may need to confirm your choice or select which types of emails you want to stop. Follow the on-screen prompts there, then return to Gmail once you're done. A few helpful notes as you go. It can take a few days for unsubscribe requests to fully process, and you might still receive messages that were already scheduled. That's normal. If the unsubscribe option isn't present, the sender may not support it, or the message may be a type that can't be unsubscribed from. For messages that look suspicious or fishy, avoid clicking links. It's safer to mark them as spam rather than trying to unsubscribe. Repeat this process with other unwanted emails and you'll quickly reclaim your inbox. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner Gmail with fewer distractions.